In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the shrouds on a TreadClimber. In order to get access to the MCB and a cable tensioner, you're going to have to go ahead and remove these 3 screws and these 2 screws located right here. And remove the shroud. Once you remove that shroud, remove these 2 screws. In order to remove this plate, you have to go ahead and pull this gray shroud back just a little bit further back so it releases the plate from being wedged. And as you can see, here's where the motor, the MCB, and the tensioner are located. Now, in order to get access to the tensioner, you're going to have to go ahead and remove this silver shroud. And in order to do that, you're going to have to remove these 3 screws in the bottom. And these 2 screws up top. And it should be easy just to pull back. To access the LCB, the resistor, EMI filter, and the alternator, you're going to have to remove these following shrouds. So as you can see here, there are 3 screws under the treadles on the right side. Next, you want to turn off the power. Then remove this plastic. There are 2 screws located on the left side and the right side. Now here, you want to go ahead and remove that screw, but make sure that the treadle is lifted up. Now to get access to the opposite side, lift up the other treadle and remove this screw and that screw. Next, you want to go ahead and level it off and go ahead and remove the front shroud. Now that we have removed this shroud, we have the lower control board, the EMI filter, the resistor, alternator, and alternator belts. And here is where we have the tensioning to these belts. Now, in order to remove the shrouds beneath the treadle, you have to get access to the screw up on top on both sides, the left and the right. So this might have to be maneuvered just a little bit. It is a little bit difficult to pull out. Put your arms under this shroud and use your arm as leverage, and it should snap off. And this is where the cabling is at. And here is where you remove the pin if you wanted to replace the belt. And we have the sensors right here.